Next, we will use a panel marked M for middle, alongside two more right-hand batten brackets. First, offer the panel into position and connect the two panels together, listening for the audible click to ensure correct connection. Now offer the interlocking channels of the middle panel into the slot of the left-hand panel at approximately 45 degrees. Slide the panel down towards the bottom before flattening the panel and locking it into the bottom edge bar. This is ideal fitting. However, you can lock into the second slot where there are imperfections in the roof, preventing perfect fitment. Do not use the third slot. If it is sitting in the third slot, seek support as there is something incorrect in the installation. Ensure the panel is flush with the other top and bottom and secure using two self-tapping screws. Finish this panel by installing two right-hand brackets top and bottom, the same as previously. Repeat this process for the number of columns in the system until you reach the final column.